Aloha, this is Laura Leist, and I'm coming to you from the beautiful island of Maui, where I've had the pleasure of being here for the last couple of weeks on a work retreat and a vacation. And I want to share with you today 3 tips about how you can have a stress-free and organized move. Tip number 1 is to go through your home, room by room, and create a spreadsheet that lists all of the furniture items that you own. And then have some columns that will say whether or not you are taking that item to the next home, if it's going to be sold or donated or consigned. And then this is the start of your plan for making sure that you are getting all of those items out of your home before your move date. Now, I've been working with our clients for the past 18 years to help manage their moves locally, nationally, and internationally, but I myself have not moved for 12 years. And a couple of months ago, we moved. However, I started our downsizing process well over a year ago using exactly a spreadsheet that I just mentioned to you. So it's a great tool to work with so you know what you still need to accomplish before move day. Tip number 2 is to know the resources where you can easily sell the items that you don't plan to move, because let's face it, it doesn't really pay to have a moving company pack and move those pieces that will no longer serve a purpose in your next home. 3 tools that you can use for this obviously are Craigslist, OfferUp, and Nextdoor. The one thing I like about Nextdoor is that it's a little known tool, and because not a lot of people sell items through Nextdoor, your items get more visibility. The other great thing about it is that you are selling to a community that's in your area, so it's typically easier for people to come and pick up the items very quickly. And keep this important thing in mind. Your items that you're selling will only be worth as much as what somebody is willing to pay for it and come and pick it up and get it out of your home. So sometimes it pays to take the best first offer that you get than to try and wait for more money and then still have that piece on moving day. And my final tip is for you to think about the fact that you need to hire a moving company very early on in the process. Now, you may not know exactly when you're moving, and that's okay. You could get recommendations from a friend, or you could look for someone who is in the move management business and can refer you to trusted and qualified moving partners that will get a great crew for you on moving day to load out all of your furniture and the contents that have been packed. Now, I can give you an example that just happened actually while I was in Maui, where we got a call for a client that was a little overwhelmed and didn't have time to start her own packing. And my first question to her was, "Do you have a mover?" And she said, "No, but I have someone that I've worked with in the past." And I said, "Great. First thing tomorrow morning, I want you to call them and make sure you can get them on your calendar." Well, guess what? They were already booked. So she called me back, and within about an hour, I had not only a person from one of our trusted vendors scheduled to go out and give her an estimate, but I also was able to get her one of the top crews from that company to do her move. So even if you are not located in the Seattle area where we are based, feel free to contact us. I may know someone in a different part of the country that I can refer you to, but sometimes working with a move manager will really help you take some of the stress off of this project. It's quite a large project, and we want everyone just to have a very organized and stress-free move. So again, I want to thank you for watching this video newsletter, and mahalo from the island of Maui.